Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to completely remove the Windows 11 login password and lock screen. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, power on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. It's important to let your system boot up completely before making any changes to ensure all necessary services are running in the background. Once your PC is ready and you're at the desktop, navigate to your Windows Start menu, which you'll find on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on the Start menu icon to open it. In the search bar that appears, type in CMD and press enter. This will open the Windows command prompt, a powerful tool that lets you execute commands directly on your system. From this command prompt window, you'll need to run a specific script that I'll be showing you on screen. Take a moment to pause the video here if you need to copy the code accurately, as precision is important when working with command line instructions. Once you've entered the code and successfully run it, this command will begin the process of disabling your login requirements. After running the script in command prompt, head back to your Start menu again. This time, type in Run in the search bar and press Enter. The Run dialog box will appear on your screen. This utility allows you to quickly access various system settings and programs by typing specific commands. In the Run dialog box, carefully type in netpwiz and press Enter. This command opens the User Accounts settings window, which controls how user accounts are managed on your computer. From the User Accounts window that appears, click on the Advanced tab at the top. This section contains additional security and login options that aren't visible in the standard settings. Look for an option labeled Secure Sign-In. Under this section, you'll see a checkbox that says Require users to press Ctrl+Alt+Delete. This security feature typically requires you to press these keys before entering your password. To remove this requirement and streamline your login process, simply uncheck this box by clicking on it. Once you've removed the check from the checkbox, click the Apply button at the bottom of the window to save your changes. And that's it, you've successfully removed the Windows 11 login password requirement and disabled the lock screen security features. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.